Okay, so let's try and understand the importance of Gradio with MCP. Because we are learning MCP, so let's try and understand how this whole thing clubs together. So it says Gradio plus MCP gives you a powerful synergy for production AI. Because it's fine, you are actually working on your laptops, on your systems, but at some point of time you need to take your application to production, right? This is where Gradio becomes really important. How it is done is, if you look at it step by step. So Gradio, as we now understand, provides you the front end, right? So it is giving you a user-friendly interface for complex AI interactions, right? You could create different things like your checkbox, you could have your drop downs, you could have your chat interface created. So all this powerful user interface or UI components can be created with Gradio, which is giving you a front end. Now it says it's a very different way to look at it. It says that MCP becomes your middle tier here, right? So you always used to have a front end, middle tier or middleware in that sense, or and then you had a back end, right? So it says MCP becomes your middle tier because it is providing the context to the models, right? By now we all understand what is MCP. It is a model context protocol. It's basically a protocol which is providing the entire context to your model so that it can make intelligent decisions. You are sharing the knowledge, you're giving the context, right? So it helps with the structured data flow and context management. And then obviously if you talk about backend, so backend is our AI models, the brain of our system is the LLM or SLM that we are running, which is consistently processing and responding with full context awareness. So as our models are becoming contextually aware, obviously they will be able to make good decisions, better decisions. So this is where, if you think about a production AI application, it will always have a front end, a middle tier, and a back end. So here I'd say Gradio becomes your front end, MCP becomes your middle tier, and AI models act like your back end or the brain, which is helping you with all the different processing and the generative AI capabilities. Thanks for watching.